Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete milestones in Monopoly Go. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to complete milestones? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so this is pretty easy. You don't need a guide for this. So every milestone has an instruction: do this, do that, finish this, reach that. So it's very self-explanatory. Um, Maybe there is a guide for specific events that pertain to these milestones. That guide is not this one. So I'm just telling you now, just finish each milestone, finish each quest or task to complete that milestone to complete it. It's very easy. It's very straightforward. You don't need to have a PhD to understand this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.